Hi everyone! Welcome to this tutorial where I'll guide you through using the Houzz Pro Selections Tracker. It's your go-to tool for keeping tabs on all your purchases and orders efficiently. It stores vital information like item locations, installation timelines, and much more. To get started with the tracker, head over to the project you want to track. There are two ways to access it. You can either hop in through your selections board by toggling the switch on the top right, or simply go directly through the project navigation on the left by selecting Selections Tracker. Let's start by taking a look at the layout. The tracker sports a spreadsheet format, with various columns organizing different aspects like finances, shipping, and order tracking. Each of these columns groups together related info, making it easy to find what you need. Hover over any field, and the field description will light up, so you'll always know what you're looking at. If you prefer a more traditional view, click the Line Height button and choose Flat to spread everything out. Now all fields will be their own column. For now, I'll stick to the stacked view for this demo. At the top left, you'll find 4 preset views tailored to different stages of your workflow. Under All, you'll see the full view of all the details for each product. Planning, Financials, and Procurement are snapshot views of details relevant to that stage in your process. Need to quickly find out the order status of one of your vendor's products? Just switch to the Procurement view, filter for your vendor, and you're all set. Remember, your view preference is saved, so next time you open the tracker, you'll pick up right where you left off. Plus, you can customize your view further using Sort, Organization, and Filter options. Let's dive into some examples. Want to organize your products by vendor? Just use the Organize By filter and select Vendor. Need to see what's about to be delivered? Organize by order status and get an instant overview of products en route, along with delivery dates. Of course, you'll only see the information that you have previously filled in. In essence, the tracker stores all items and their respective details that have been added to your project in some way. These can be items added to your selection boards, proposals, invoices, mood boards, as well as clipped items. If you are starting from scratch or need to add an extra item, click the Add button in the top right corner. Now you'll see your library with your products and services and be able to find the item you want to add. You can use the search bar to find a product quicker or filter by vendor or category. Simply click the product you want to add, and it will appear in your selections tracker. One of the most convenient functionalities of the Selections Tracker is the fact that each field can be edited inline, saving you time and hassle. Plus, you can bulk edit multiple items with just a few clicks. Just check the box next to the items you wish to edit, and then click Edit at the top next to the filters. A pop-up will appear, showing all the information that can be bulk updated. Assignee, order status, as well as several dates related to your order tracking. Click Save when you're finished, and your bulk updates will be made. Another important thing to mention is the Document Status column. It keeps you informed about where each item is included, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. In addition to the columns and fields that are available and preset by default, of course, you can add your own ones and fully customize what you see. To do that, click the button with the sliders on the top right. Firstly, you can toggle on and off which columns and fields you want to see or which are irrelevant for you. In order to create a new field, click Add New Field. Note that this option only appears under the All view. If you're in one of the other views, this button will not show. Simply type in the name of the field and choose a field type. To reorder the columns or fields, simply grab the dots to the left of the name and drag to where you'd like it. When you're done, press Save. There are a few ways that you can share the tracker. First, click Export in the top right and then select which way you want to export. You can choose from Excel, FF&E, and Tearsheets. For each export, you can choose which details you want to export, like pricing, SKU numbers, and more. You can instantly download these exports, as well as get a copy in your inbox. It's also possible to convert items straight to a proposal or invoice, unless they are not already associated with a document, meaning that they have to be in draft mode. Simply select them, click Convert, double-check the items, and once again, click Convert. These are the key features of the Houzz Pro Selections Tracker. The more you use it, the more you'll appreciate its value. Ready to take control of your selections and procurement process? Thanks for watching, and remember, we're here to help with any questions or feedback you have.